Hey guys, today I am recreating this glammed up look. I've already done my base makeup, so I'm going in with the Wet and Wild concealer to prep the eyelid, and I want this eyeshadow to be glam, like super glam. So I'm just placing that all over my eyelid. I'm going to make all sorts of faces because when you do your makeup you don't mean to, but I see I have a lot of funny faces while doing my makeup, so don't mind me. So we just prep the eyelid with the Wet and Wild concealer, and that is going to help us set that eyeshadows and give it a nice pigmented layer and for it to stand out more. Now I'm grabbing my beauty blender and I am just blending the concealer onto the eyelid for us to have a nice and defined, flawless eye look at the end of the day. So we will start prepping the eyelid for now. Now for this eye look, I am going in with my LA Girl, the Nude Collection eyeshadow palette. And I love these shades. It's so nice and glamorous and just perfect for this glammed up look that we're trying to achieve. So I'm starting with the lighter pinkish brown, a light brown shade, and I'm using a flat, thin eyeshadow brush, and this is just to tap that in to the inner corner of the eyelid, and this is going to start just to prep the inner corner. So we are not blending it out for now. We are just tapping the product on and placing it where we want it to be. And now I'm going in with a fluffier blending brush, and I'm now blending in the product that I have placed on the inner corner of the eyelid. So I am blending it only halfway on the eyelid because it is going to be an ombre look that we're going for. So the inner corner will be a lighter shade. So I'm just blending it on like halfway on the eyelid. And now I am taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm also going to just place that on the other half, which is the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm for now just tapping that down, just placing it where I want to place it because we are going to blend that out as well. So take as much product as you want because we want it to be nice and pigmented and for it to blend in nice and seamless and just look flawless at the end. So as you can see, I am going in multiple times with the flat brush just to tap all the necessary product in that we want to get, because this look needs to be blended. Like, that's the only way you can achieve a flawless smoky eye look if you have enough product that's set on the brush, and also if you blend it out properly, because eyeshadows are all about blending and for you to have the right amount of product and how much you place on the eyelid as well. So here I am placing it on the other half of the eyelid. As you can see that I'm really trying to find the separation and to blend it together so it can actually look seamless and it looks like there's an ombre effect. So here I'm taking my blending fluffy brush, and this is where the magic happens, and we are going to blend this product in, and just so that we can get basically that beautiful ombre light and dark shades to connect and for it to actually give us that beautiful flawless look in the end. So here I am basically using circular motions to blend in the eyeshadow with this fluffy brush, and as you can see I am not applying any pressure on the brush. It's very lightly that I am blending this eyeshadow onto my eyelid for us to get this sort of airbrush filtered type of eyeshadow look. So very lightly on the brush, no pressure at all. Now I'm grabbing a small eyeliner brush, basically a small tiny eyeliner brush, and I'm going in with the gold shimmer shade, just placing that on the inner corner of my eye, and this is going to give us that just to open up the eye a little bit more and to give it a little bit of definition and to glam up this look so much more. So the more shimmers, the more glamorous the look, and full glam it basically looks. Going in with my Essence eyeliner pencil, and this is to create the wing line, and this is going to spice up this look so much more and make it look sultry and fierce and glammed up. So I usually just lift my eyelid slightly when I do this look, and when I do the wing line, and I basically just take the pencil and go on the edge of the eyelid and drag out that line for us to create that wing. Because I'm not wearing any falsies on this look, I am going to make the line on top of the eyelid a little bit darker. So I'm really going in with this eyeliner. Luckily it's an eye pencil, so we've got some room to really actually draw that line. If it's liquid liner, we need to be a little bit careful. So because I'm used to it, I am just drawing this line on top, or creating this line on top of the eyelid, and this is giving it already that nice glamorous look. Now I am just going to enhance the black on the eyelid a little bit more. I'm going over with a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going over on top of the eye pencil that I used. Also the Essence, this is an Essence liquid liner that I'm using, and I'm just defining that wing liner that I've created, and this is going to just make this look pop, just make it look more sultry, and the darker the line and the wing line, the more it stands out. Then I am grabbing this little brush again, tiny brush, and I'm just going back in on the bottom lid to just spice up the bottom lid a little bit more, so that this look can be more sultry and glamorous as we like it to be. Now just grabbing the Essence eyeliner pencil again to go on the bottom lid, just to darken that, just to complete the eye look with the bottom of the eye look. Now grabbing my Lush Queen mascara, and because like I said I'm not wearing any falsies, I just want to enhance the eye look a little bit more, so I am really going in with this mascara. So I am just applying a few layers of mascara and really defining the lashes a little bit with this mascara. So if you don't have falsies, just go in with the mascara and you'll actually get a beautiful lash look at the end, and it will match the glam look as well. Now I'm grabbing my LA Gold Pro translucent powder. I'm just tapping that all over the skin, under the eyes especially, because the more matte this look is, the more glammed up it will look, and just to prevent any fallout and oily spots. So it's best to finish off the look with some powder. So now, instead of wiping the powder away, I am basically tapping it into my skin, because I feel like it's been working much better to get the final set by just tapping it into the skin. So if you get oily, this will basically prevent any oiliness from happening if you've got oily skin, and also for it to make the under eye stand out more, and that under eye brightness that you're looking for, you basically achieve it by just tapping it into the skin. Now finishing off the lips with a bold red lip, as the title says. So I'm doing this bold red lip because we're going full glam, girl. What is a full glam without a red lip? So as you can see, it's very pigmented. I love it so much. So a red lip, I love this particular shade of red, and it's really smooth textured, and I love it. It's just so creamy and it applies very nicely. So I'm just adding that to our final lip shade, and to get that glamorous bold lip look that we're trying to achieve. Definitely the Maybelline New York. This is the final look, full glam look. So I have added just a headband and just did an updo style for myself, and your girl is full glammed up. And I decided to wear black because I feel the black makes the red lip stand out so much more. Yeah, so that's the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this look, if you guys are giving this full glam look a try, if it was helpful, the tips and tricks that I provided to you ladies. Let me know in the comments below. Please click the like button, share, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you ladies next time. Thank you for joining. Bye.